Free breath easy.
Are you ready for the quiz on converting improper fractions to whole and mixed numbers? There are 20 questions and 3 levels to challenge yourself. Feel free to pause the video anytime if you need a little extra thinking time. Before we start, please like and subscribe to the channel for more fun maths quizzes. Let's begin!
Let's start with level 1.
Turn 5/1 into a whole or mixed number. Five over 1 is 5. Remember, any fractions with a denominator of 1 is just the numerator as the whole number. Turn 3 halves into a whole or mixed number. One and 1/2. 3 halves equal to 1 and 1/2. Turn 5/3 into a whole or mixed number. One and 2/3. 5/3 equal to 1 and 2/3. Turn 4 halves into a whole or mixed number. Two. 4 halves equal to 2. Turn 7/6 into a whole or mixed number. One and 1/6. 7/6 equal to 1 and 1/6. Turn 10/7 into a whole or mixed number. One and 3/7. 10/7 equal to 1 and 3/7. Turn 12 quarters into a whole or mixed number. Three. 12 quarters equal to 3. Turn 7 quarters into a whole or mixed number. One and 3/4. 7 quarters equals to 1 and 3/4. Turn 12/5 into a whole or mixed number. Two and 2/5. 12/5 equal to 2 and 2/5. Turn 8/8 into a whole or mixed number. One. 8/8 equal to 1. Any fractions where the numerator and the denominator are the same equals 1 whole.
Level 2.
Turn 15 halves into a whole or mixed number. Seven and 1/2. 15 halves equal to 7 and 1/2. Turn 26/3 into a whole or mixed number. Eight and 2/3. 26/3 equal to 8 and 2/3. Turn 61/7 into a whole or mixed number. 8 and 5 sevenths. 61 sevenths equal to 8 and 5 sevenths. Turn 85 twelfths into a whole or a mixed number. 7 and 1/12. 85 twelfths equal to 7 and 1/12. Turn 52 quarters into a whole or mixed number. 13. 52 quarters equal to 13.
Level 3.
Question 16. Can you solve it? Three. 7/3 equal to 2 and 1/3. Question 17. Can you solve it? Four. 9 quarters equal to 2 and 1/4. Question 18. Can you solve it? Two. 8 halves equal to 4. Question 19. Can you solve it? Three. 15/3 equal to 5. Final questions. Can you solve it? Four. 15 quarters equal to 3 and 3/4.
Great job! You have just completed 20 questions. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Keep practicing, keep growing. Thanks.